Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy shares on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll follow a simple sequence and add helpful context so you know exactly what you're clicking and why. First, open Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app. Once the platform loads, look to the top right and choose the search option. This is where you find the company or instrument you want to invest in. Start typing the name or ticker symbol. For this demo, we'll enter a sample name just to show the flow, but you should type the exact share you're interested in. From the search results, select the matching listing to open its detail page. Here you'll see the price chart, key stats, and the main action buttons. To start a purchase, choose Buy. This tells the platform you're about to place an order to acquire the shares as opposed to selling them. Next, enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares you wish to buy. Trading 212 often supports fractional shares, so you can enter a monetary amount if that suits you better. For illustration, we'll use a sample value. Take a moment to confirm the currency, the estimated quantity, and that you have enough available funds for the order. Before you proceed, set your preferred order type. A market order aims to fill immediately at the best available price. A limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay, and it will only execute at that price or better. You can also add protection tools. A stop order can help you exit if the price moves against you, and a stop limit combines a trigger price with a limit price to control execution more precisely. Choose the options that match your plan and risk tolerance. When everything looks right, select Review Order. This screen summarizes the key details: instrument, order type, quantities or amount, estimated cost, and any applicable constraints. Read it carefully to avoid mistakes, especially the order type and price settings. Finally, confirm by placing the buy order. The platform will submit it for execution. If it's a market order during trading hours, it typically fills quickly. For limit and stop-based orders, they'll remain pending until market conditions match your settings. After submission, you can monitor the position from your portfolio and adjust or cancel open orders if needed. That's it. You've learned the complete flow to buy shares on Trading 212 using a sample search, a sample value, and optional order controls for smarter execution.